Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of s. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. We have the u equals to the s over number 2 with the square root of s. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so I need to put about number 2 go to the left. So this one we change by u. The s over the square root of s we change by 2 du. The integration of this one, we will have about tan u, and we put about c. About u, that's about the square root of s. Now we will use same technique for the second one. But now this one is about cosecant of s. Cosecant of u square. The integration of this one, we have negative number 2 cotangent u. About u, that's about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.